Oscar would not try to, you can say, help Lando. Have like in Canada, we saw them, both of them almost crashing out each other, and the other one that got actually crashed out was Lando. I still want actually Lando to win the WTC because it's gonna be his first. He has been in the same yearly span as 6 years in the you can say F1 when Verstappen won his first one. So I have my whole hopes for Lando, and I'm pretty sure I'm also gonna get a lot of hate for this. Being a Mercedes fan, being a Hamilton fan, I'm gonna called a Brit follower. I'm pretty sure of that. But still, I'm gonna back Lando here. But I'm also not ruling out either Piastri nor Verstappen because both of them have actually nothing to lose right now. It's a high temperature race. The tires are gonna be, and it's already a two stop mandatory race because of what has been said by Pirelli, and because the temperatures are gonna rise quite high, and they have to make sure they don't clip the curb, otherwise the tires will burst easily. So, stating that Red Bull has some issues in high temperature races, we have seen many times in this year, and McLaren shines the most in the higher temperatures because of their smaller slates and higher and phase changing technology in their brakes. All of the cars that were quite fast, including Mercedes, including Red Bull of Max Verstappen and McLaren, only the McLarens were called. Why I don't know, because quite a suspicious thing might be some insider or insider report says कि हो सकता है McLaren को किसी और टीम की तरफ से एक ईमेल गई हो कि यार you should check them first. Make sure कि you check them first. इस तरह हो सकता है. Still a controversial thing to say. Yes,
रेड
Tamim.
बुल का भी निकला था वैसे, सॉरी, रेड बुल का भी निकला था कि मैक्स वर्स्टैपन को भी बुलाएंगे, एंड आई थिंक उसको भी मिलनी थी, उसको दिया नहीं. आई एम
नहीं
वेरी कंफ्यूज एज के
No, 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 no. He wasn't called. Only two cars from the whole race. Like all of them are checked, but the for checking the skid plates only two cars were checked only. I think that is going to be the decider for Abu Dhabi. Oscar and Max has the best, we can say, pressure handling capabilities in certain stages of the race. Lando, I might
बॉटल.
say he's very good. He's very good in terms of handling pressure, but this is gonna be a hell of a lot of pressure just because he has his one finger on the trophy right now of the driver's trophy.